So welcome back. This is the first week of November, and these are the results. You can see right now, this is 7th November 2025, and let's just go through what we got this week. And as you can, if you see very clearly, this is what I was looking for up to here. So let's just go through it. Firstly, there was NZD, USD. You can see I was waiting for sales. I was waiting for market to retest either this level and respect of sell based off that push or at this zone here, but we didn't get that as well. The market just decided to continue going down. Then there is Euro GPP. As you can see right now, this was my initial analysis. You can clearly see I was waiting for price to jump down here, and we just didn't get it. So this was Tuesday, and as you can see, this was on a Monday right here. So this is what I was waiting for. I thought Monday, Tuesday, oh, we'll have that retest to this zone, then I might catch the buys. We didn't get that. And Euro card, the same thing. I was looking for counter sales, yes, because I was supposed to buy at this point here. So I saw this nice head and shoulder, but even though market reached this zone, I was looking for the daily to have that nice engulfing to engulf this previous Monday candle on the 3rd November. Because if I put on the forward time frame, that would have even given me the best entry I needed. Because if you can clearly see, I had this nice double top and I had this nice break. Even I had this retest at this zone here. The engulfing happened all the way here, and this is not what I want. I want the engulfing to take place within this zone here. So this is what I would consider a legit setup, or at least if it's within this zone, it should give me a nice head and shoulder. And you can clearly see there was nothing interesting here. So the only legit trade I had in mind was after the break and retest and engulfing to then sell. So but the market just didn't seem to do that, because even if you see at the 1 hour time frame, I said, okay, let me try to wait for this break here and the retest, but as you can see, there was nothing, hence no trade was taken. Then there is USD CHF, which I'll still be interested in next week. Because and when I was looking at this pair, we were not yet bullish on the daily, but now we are very much bullish. This is even a great confirmation for me to enter these buys. Yeah, so you can see that market is on its way to retest this zone. So all these pairs as of now, you can even cancel them because I won't be interested in them even next week. Same with NZD USD. So I only have Euro USD CHF that I might still look on to even next week, because you can see we had this nice break and we're having it's on its way to this OG level. So once it's at this point, that's why I will look for the shift and buy. And GBP card, the same thing. I was waiting for the retest of this zone. You can see now market, this is when it's having that retest. So then we'll see what will happen there if we'll sell. Yeah, so definitely I can leave that one. Same with Euro USD. I was waiting for a retest at this double top. Nice head and shoulder pattern there. If you see, you can see we have the left right head. I explained this in my previous video, and right now market is at this zone. So what I expect this market to do is very simple. I wanted to first even fail to respect this zone. I just wanted to do something like this. Since it's at this zone, I wanted to do something like this. This is the only thing I'm waiting for. If once it gives me that, then I'll enter my sales. Because if you can see, my previous sales has been based off the market giving me this head and shoulder. That's when I'll be interested in selling a pair or buying a pair. Yeah, so right now I wanted to make a new higher high, just retest this zone, then make a new higher high, then come and shift this higher high, this new higher higher low, which will be at this point here, then retest it. That's when I'll enter my sell, and nicely put my stop loss right above this, and my take profit down here. This is where I believe we might get the, this is what I want. Then I will simply take the sales if I can just get that nice push to the downside right there. So this is what I'm simply looking for. If I can get this sale, then the market can do this for me, then I will simply take the sale. Then lastly but not the least, the market that I was waiting for all this time to give me that uh take profit has finally reached, and I've been holding this pair since last week, and I closed at this point here. To just be honest with you, I closed at this point right there because I just got tired of holding, and I knew it would reach here, but this was enough. Come on, guys. I I got a 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio. This is more than enough, and usually I just catch a 1 to 2. So this is just okay. There is nothing wrong with this because a normal trade for me is usually it has to end at this point here. Once it's this 1 to 2, I have to close my trade. Once it just reaches this zone here, I have to close my trade. But this time I decided to hold this pair and just see what the market can really do for me. And you see what we got from the market by just being a bit more patient. And I got a nice 1 to 5. Yeah, so this is what the market did for me. And we can just simply now save this, these pairs, then let's do this and simply just save these trades. I'm going to be trading the next week, and we have this other one here. So the rest, I'm no longer interested in them. And I recently started looking at Bitcoin. I don't know why, but I'm now trying to see if this strategy also works in Bitcoin. So even though it didn't give me that retest, I saw something interesting. You can clearly see where this nice left, right head and shoulder. Then I was just waiting for that retest, but it didn't give me. So let me. This the thing. This the thing about this strategy, guys. Once it breaks the previous low, if it's this selling impulsive, if it's selling impulsively, I want it to at least take out this lower low. So if I catch my sales, I would just wait for that nice pullback, then put my stop loss just on top there, and my take profit right below the nice 1 to 2 there. You can see. So this is a very nice trade though. It's a very nice trade. Even though I didn't take it, but I've just been observing this pair. So we'll see with time if we might start trading Bitcoin as well, because I feel like this market might sell for the longest now because it's been buying all this time. And once this week just closes, and you can even clearly see the weekly is very much bearish. So if it closes below here, and I'll still be looking for sales at the same point there. Just have to wait a bit more. Yeah, so it's still okay with me, but I'll be paying a closer look attention to this pair. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Then let's see what to make next week.